aircraft in the town where they're from, so you can see that there. And this is Coffs Harbour on the north coast of New South Wales. That's the end of the flight for QF 2011 RPT from Smith Airport, Sydney, Terminal 3 to Coffs Harbour. Hope you enjoyed the flight and the landing. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up, the like button, and tell us about flights in your country, or your city, and any other interesting experience. And that's the end of our 27 to 30,000 kilometre for 88 days around the world. We left here exactly 88 days ago from Coffs Harbour Airport, flew to Sydney, and 88 days later we're back at Coffs Harbour. So subscribe to the channel, there's lots more happening, always will be. We've got an international air show coming up, we've got a Velocet motorcycle rally coming up. There's some of the exciting things that are coming up that you'll see on this channel.